poppin' Sky Girls? Welcome back to the Sister Show. In case you're new here, Sister stands for Sky is staying true always because that's our thing. But that's not all. We're also about friendship, fashion, music, and just having a fantastic time.
So if fun challenges, bomb interviews with your faves, great hacks, and just having a dope time sounds like a thing, hit that subscribe button and vibe with us every week. I'm Vivian Kagweja.
And I'm Clarice Kalai.
And this is what to expect in this episode. Tonight DIY with Sky.
We spend a day with the Sky Girl.
And a special celeb is with us today.
Here we go!
I think this time I might look to the sky and I'll be.
Welcome to the Sky DIY, where we figure out how to do the things tunapenda by ourselves. So today, we're going to do a very simple makeup tutorial for beginners with alternative and options if you can't access the exact things. First things first, cleanse and moisturize your face. Cleansing, I mean, kuosha tu uso using a cleanser. But kama huna cleanser, a soap will do. Next, after cleansing, tumia moisturizer to moisturize your skin. But if you don't have a moisturizer, lotion ama Vaseline, but isikuwe highly perfumed, itafanya the same work. The next step is to prime your face. Primer is the base of the makeup. But kama huna primer, you can make your own at home, and I'll show you how to do it. So, have your bowl or a plate. Then, put 1 spoon of glycerin, just like this. 3 spoons of water. And half a spoon of moisturizer. Alafu ikoroge tu vizuri. Utaweka kwa spray bottle ndo uspray kwa face yako, alafu uyache dry up before you continue applying your makeup. Next step ni foundation. So, if you don't have a foundation, you can use a compact powder instead, but ikuwe shade ya color yako ndo usikae funny, you know. After that, the next step ni the eyebrow. You can use an eyebrow cream and a brush, but kama huna, an eye pencil or an old toothbrush will do. Kenya utafanya tu ni fill in and shape your eyebrows well. When you're done doing your eyebrows, we want to make our eyes pop. Use a mascara to just comb through your eyelashes and to make those funny faces, ndo tutoboe macho. Lakini kama huna mascara, I'm sure huwezi kosa Vaseline. So tumia Vaseline yako kama mascara. Dip the old mascara wand into your Vaseline, alafu apply it on your eyelashes. Kama kuna the excess and the clumpness, tumia a damp toilet paper ili kuismoothen. And there you have your perfect eyelashes. Next is the lips. Moisture is very key on your lips. All you have to use ni tu a lip gloss. Jua kuna mtu anataka lips zimeparara, zimekauka, cracky. Use a lip gloss to have that glossy shine on your lips. But kama huna lip gloss, again, Vaseline saves the day. Just apply a small amount of it on your lips until you get that shiny look. And finally, use a setting spray. Setting spray ndo inafanya makeup yako ikuwe intact the whole day. Na unaweza ipata kwa beauty store at an affordable price. Na kama huwezi afford, you can make it by yourself in the comfort of your home. Use rose water na glycerin, mix them together. Then, iweke kwa a spray bottle and spray it on your face. And this is the perfect makeup look. Guys, si imeweza. If you have any tips for beginners makeup, please to show up kwa comment section.
It's cool when I play by my own rules. Tell myself I'm staying.
Hello guys, karibuni sana to Sky Diaries. I'm Stephanie and this is the day in my life. Let's get started. Normally I wake up at 8 a.m. if I have classes. Kama sina classes, I can sleep up to 9 a.m. After I'm done spreading my bed, I go through my phone. I'm the WhatsApp community manager for Sky. If you haven't joined their group, make sure you check out their socials. Go through the 16 to 19 group, update them on the latest content, and tunaongelanga vitu mingi sana kwa hizi groups. Makeup, outfit, from the holiday. Hey, we catch up even with the latest vibes. So sahi neza enda shower. Najua unashangaa mbona sina skincare routine. Normally mi hutumia tu mafuta just a little, then I apply it on my face, then I'm good to go for the day. Sasa nimemaliza with my house chores. Normally me, after I'm done with my house chores, siendangi tu because I have a lot of time to spare. So let me show you a bit of what I do. So I just crochet, nashona, other words, like, yeah, nashona. Basically kucrochet imenifundisha vitu mingi sana. Like neza tengeneza a lot of things that sikuweza kutengeneza. But yeah, this ini kofia or a beanie in English, and this is a yellow top. Neza vaa both sides, either front way or back way. Another top, but in a different design. To anyone out there, to every sky girl, if you have your talent, make use of your talent, be it singing, dancing, interior designing. Make use of your talent. Yeah, any day, any time. It's 3 p.m. I'm supposed to be going at school since I have a class. I school at Daystar and I do communication. Later on in the day, after I'm done with my classes, I'll go to Strathmore for my hockey training sessions. I'm heading to school and I'll see you guys. Hi guys, I'm here with my friend Rachel and we are going to train. See you at the hockey pitch.
Know that I'm a sky girl, don't need to justify. Let me fly, yeah.
What's good, Sky Girls? I am Joanne and welcome back to Celebrity Corner. Today we have with us an amazing Sky Big Sister who is gonna take us through her successful journey by giving us 7 steps to reaching your sky, and I'll let her introduce herself.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kush Tracy. I'm a Kenyan musician. I'm a media personality. I'm an influencer. I do content creation. I also run an initiative by the name Kush Tracy Initiative, whereby I get to do a lot of charity work. So I'm gonna be giving you guys 7 tips on how you can reach your sky. So one tip is building your confidence, and that takes days. And building your confidence, you need to understand that you are beautiful just the way you are. You don't need to look like someone else. You don't need to have what other people do have. So trust in who you are, what you have, and how gorgeous you are. At the end of the day, we all fail in many ways. And if we take the failure as, the final thing on our journey, we'll never get to the end. So let's talk about saying no, because at the end of the day, your thing will definitely not be everyone else's kind of thing. So stick to your no and stick to your yes. Building a strong work ethic is really important, because at the end of the day, the relations that you make in the season that you're in will matter in the future. Stick around people who bring out the best in you and are very positive and optimistic when it comes to life. So let's talk about wellness for a bit. It's important to take care of ourselves. Maybe you're a gym person or you're just someone who eats healthy. At the end of the day, do something to take care of you. So how do I stay motivated? So at the end of the day, it's reminding yourself of why you began, why you started, and why you're doing it. So be very intentional about the work that you do. That will give you enough motivation to wake up the next day and try again, even when you don't feel like doing it.
Thank you so much, Tracy, for your 7 tips. And for you guys, tell us which was your favorite, and also feel free to ask more questions. We'll be sure to reach out to her. Till next time, guys, remember,
Be true to you.
Bye. And that's all the time we have for today, but kama kawaida, catch us next week, same channel, same dope vibes, ama
Kabisa.
Kumbuka, we want you to be part of making the sister show, so tell us your favorite segment on our socials, what you'd love to see this season, or any other thoughts unaweza kuwa nazo.
Ebu search for @SkyGirlsKE on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Na kama ungependa kuwa part of the Sky Squad, ni rahisi sana. Visit our website skygirlske.com, take the pledge, and boom, you are a Sky Sis. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Clarice Kalai.
And I'm Vivian Kagweria.
Until next time, remember, be true to you, boo. Bye.
I could be powerful.
Here's what to expect in the next episode of Sister. Some girl chat advice with our Sky Sis,
Sky reacts to some trending vids,
and a special celeb guest will be in studio.
Baby, that's who I am. Always know I gotta win.
By the way, boom, subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell. And also we have episodes hapa zingine amjaona najua, so boom, check them out. Kwanza hii, mnaiona hiyo.